And soccer season's about to start. Oh, did you hear, Mom? Soccer season's about to start. Regular soccer season. Let me see. And look here, this is the TV where all the controls. They have a ton. Oh yeah, let me take a picture of the stuff you were talking about for the. There it is.
Yeah.
Hello, you two. Let me see what else I can see. There he is. Hey, Thomas.
Almost. Insert top I have.
You and I have to talk. I don't know if he's in trouble or not.
Probably. He's probably doing something.
Confusion and delay. Oh, look. See, look, it's nighttime. You can basically see anything here in the night.
I like it. Oh, look at the Ghostbusters.
Oh, Ghostbusters car. Oh, and look, the DeLorean.
Yeah.
Now you know the DeLorean, honey.
Rain spoiling my lovely coat of paint. I'd like to come out of the tunnel. And I'm very
There it is.
There's a some kind of
His driver stopped the train. What's his opportunity? He is so weak. Safety. You can't pull the train anymore. Oh dear, said Paul. You were getting so late.
Oh dear. Look, see you can see the DeLorean. And where did you say the Ghostbusters car? I didn't see it. Oh yeah, right there. Who you gonna call? But this time instead of who you're gonna call, it's who's gonna clean up this mess after from that Frozen Empire movie.
fighting crime.
Out of the way.
Oh, on top. No, don't worry. It's safe. It does look like this will be new. Now it's morning. Got a great overview of the city. There's cars, basically the entire city of downtown. Firestone, the YMCA, the class.
I like this one that has like milk bars. Like, you can see people sitting in it.
There are like about 3 trains in this area, so they're not moving. What's that sound? Yeah. Right, make sure the super train moves. There goes. There goes that one, green train. The yellow one as well. Oh, look, this the diesel, and then look. They're traveling together. This one's going faster. Oh, Galaxy Drive-In.
Oh yeah.
It's like a restaurant. It's gonna go through the tunnel. It's gonna go through another tunnel. Oh, Bluey.
Yeah.
You see Bluey?
Yeah.
This became a very popular show among the families. It really has.
Yeah.
Look, it's like stuck in the tunnel. Not really in the tunnel, but look, it's stuck.
Hanging out.
Look, I took a picture of 3 trains back there. They're all stuck together. Oh, look. We just stopped right in front of the camera. We stopped like right in front of the camera. I was about to get there. Don't. Oh yeah, there it is.
Even made it.
Every train here is making a toot-toot sound, which is really amazing. Every train's purpose is of making sound effects. Whistles. Oh, look. Oh, when that happens. Oh, you can hear some chickens clucking. I heard them cluck that time. Oh, coyote. They basically put everything here and just designed it into one big place, a big train place. Oh, it's going. Where's it going? It's going. I bet it went into the tunnel. Oh, this? Oh no, I don't think that was an accident. Wait.
Oh, he's getting worked on.
Yeah, he's not getting an accident. You see, that's a spinning thing. That's the whole point of it is to spin it. It's not an accident.
Oh my gosh. Look who's on the front of that boat. No, the boat. Oh my gosh. The front of it.
Wait, the front. Oh my god, wait. I just saw it. And look, there's an alien up there.
Oh, it's
Go meet the alien. Look at Thor. Look at that. That's a boat.
I'm so excited I found him. I love those little things.
How did you like that we got the right James?
So cool.
Even
I really
though
want to get Bob.
me too. We need to give him as a toy or something. Oh look, that
Bob's
train.
my favorite.
Look, wait until it comes out. If it does. Is he stuck?
Right here.
What tunnel is he in? Is he in like a different sector? Oh wait.
Yo, wonder?
No. Hold on. No, you hold on. I think I know where he went. I don't know. I'm trying to keep out. Maybe out one of those tunnels or something.
Like, did he go down?
I think it went down. Because there's nowhere else for him to go out there. I think it come out one of their tunnels or something. I don't know. Or maybe you go through there or something.
I'm so confused.
I don't know how these stuff works.
Crazy cool.
It's a great layout though. Most of these trains are kind of like from.
this is
I think most of these
insane.
trains they have are from Lionel.
This is incredible.
It's a great layout, I can say. Wait.
It's nighttime.
Well, it looks like. Oh no, it looks like it's sun setting. Oh, look, it's blue.
Okay, look, be careful.
It's nighttime. Look over here.
Let's see where that other
I think it stopped. Mom, I think it stopped. Look. Oh, look, it just stopped again. Look at the passengers. You can actually see them clear. They're having a good time. They're wondering, what's taking too long? Look, there's another train that stopped right here. There are like 2 trains that are stopped. No, there are 3 trains now that have Stop this
There's
area.
an
Look,
old
there's one up
Greyhound
there.
bus up there. It's so.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's
Yeah,
like it's
it's
one of
so
those old double. I just saw that. It's another one of those like cool double-decker buses. Have you ever heard of what those buses are called?
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Around it. Oh, there he goes.
Where's that other one? He's still probably stopped in the tunnel.
Oh wait, is that him back there? The red?
Oh no, there's no train in front of it. It's just a car. There's no train in front of it. It's just cars. If you see a train in front of it, then it would have gone. But where is it? It's probably still stuck in the tunnel. Anytime, I'm ready for you to get out of here. It's nighttime. You can basically see anything. You can hear the diesel engine rumbling from this one. Oh, both trains are going on the roof.
Yep, there they go.
Wait. Oh, god dang it, I thought that was it. Oh, it's going in the tunnel. That one's still probably wherever it is.
Take a break.
Stuck in that tunnel or something. Oh. Ow. Oh, it's again. Unless you're just stopping and.
Because it's daytime.
Oh! Behind you. No. There it is. We didn't know where he was.
Come on, people. All right, don't fuss. All right, don't fuss.
It's really nice. It's gold coal kind of.
Silver.
Whatever it is. Look.
Thomas began going faster and faster. He was so
Oh, look, I like the green and red car.
That green and red car? Oh yeah, that would look good.
Yeah.
Love it.
Me too.
A great. I just heard those roosters cluck again.
Yeah, it's morning time.
Oh, and look, out of the tunnel. Colorado and Southern.
Yeah.
Hello, horses.
I want to go on Colorado.
Me too. I want to go back on it so bad. Oh. All these trains are just like going and stopping around every second.
Yeah. The moose is looking at him.
Oh, is it caribou,
Moose?
whatever?
Or yeah,
the
let's
caribou.
think that's horses.
Moose we just spoke too soon.
Yeah.
We just spoke too soon. That train's going out into the tunnel.
See you later.
Oh, and we also see.
Ooh, very nice.
Look at that one's still going.
Yep.
Oh, that train. Look, there are 3 trains up there. Oh. I saw 3 trains up there, and I had to get a picture of all of them. Stuart, oh my god, you love that so much. Oh look, Mom, there's 2 of those green and red cars. Oh, it's a LBG train logo, whatever that is. Like a new train company.